Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and preparing the Xm6. Charge to at least 50% and connect the USB-C cable until the LED shows a steady color. Once done, press and hold the power/Bluetooth switch to enter pairing mode. You'll hear a voice prompt. Make sure the Sony Headphones Connect app is installed on your phone so you can complete firmware checks and demos/initial calibration. This early app step avoids later hassles and makes advanced features available immediately. Now pair and configure. With Bluetooth on, choose WH1000XM6 from your device list and accept pairing. After connection, open the app and update firmware if prompted. This fixes bugs and unlocks features. Next, set ANC level and ambient sound to your environment, then enable adaptive sound control so the headset adjusts automatically. Customize touch controls, speak to chat sensitivity, and the EQ once you save profiles. Switching between commute, office, and home becomes immediate and consistent. Finish by optimizing daily use. Position the cup so you get a full seal, and adjust the headband until sound feels balanced. That improves ANC and bass. Use multi-point pairing for phone plus laptop and employ quick attention to hear speech without removing the headset. If audio stutters or drops, the key troubleshooting tip is to reboot the Xm6, unpair and repair, and ensure your device uses AAC or LDAC instead of a low-quality codec. Firmware updates often resolve stubborn wireless issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.